came into
to
an
island.
island. This is a good place for a picnic, said Sally. They got out and Dad
Tied
tied the boat to a tree. But look, Papa, the boat went away.
Did it?
Yeah. I'm hungry, said Sally. They opened the picnic.
No.
They
What's that word?
opened
Opened
the
basket.
and got some
No. And got
out some
sandwiches.
and some
Apples.
Dad,
No.
did you
Bring
some
thing.
for Red Boy, said Sally. He can't have
A
sandwich, said Dad.
No. The first word. What's the first word?
Then Dad looked around. Where's the boat? He shouted. Look, there it is. Sally said.
Said Sally.
Said Sally. It's going down the river. Oh no, said Dad. I
Didn't
tie the
tie a
good knot. Then they saw an orange boat coming down the river. Sally and Dad waved their
and
shouted, and Red Boy
barked.
The orange boat came to the island to get them. They all
climbed
in and went down the river to get their runaway boat. Thanks, said Dad. On the way home, they saw a blue and white
tea towel
and a shop window. Let's buy it, said Dad. Look at that. Not Sally. It will show me how to.
No, it show me the right way
to tie it up.
To
tie the boat up.
No. Again. Don't rush. To
tie up the boat.
Boat. Yeah. Don't rush.
Next time I will.
No. Next time. What's the next word? We get
a
boat.
We will tie it up
with
a good knot, said Sally.
The end.
Mama, do this part. Mama, do